is another great example of Agoda's shameless lying because um, they only have one class available, one ticket available for this particular train. So they, of course, say that it is the most popular class. The first class is the most popular. Now, on this train, they also only have one class available. It's third class, but it's the most popular class. And they also only have one class available for this one, but it's the most popular class as well. So you have the most popular hard seat or first class. In fact, there is absolutely no class that is not being sold by Agoda that is not the most popular class. So this is just like Agoda slapping on tickets or notices saying this is the lowest price you've seen, this is the lowest price there is. Book now for the lowest possible price, even though you bought it for half that price the day before. So basically, anytime Agoda promises that anything is the best, the cheapest, the most popular, they are lying.